you're not familiar with who we are, if there's one thing I want you to kind of think about us as a YouTube-like experience. So this is a business platform, and it's all about learning, and it's really focused on those that maybe haven't been given the opportunity to access a platform that really works for them. There's a way we all ended up here today, and we all have a common problem. When Greg and I connected, what we saw is there was an upside down kind of a formula that was out there in the world. And there's this term, this idea of a deskless workforce. 80% of the workforce in the world doesn't work behind a desk. There's one thing they all have in common. They don't have enough time. They're constantly interrupted. They're constantly onboarded with information. They forget it all because it's drinking from a fire hose. And life always moves and life always changes. So their world is always mobile. But the problem is that the demand as we age the baby boomer population is the demand is greater than the supply. So our solution in the past has always been throw technology on it. These companies come in, they do these amazing white glove services and they onboard us, and then when they leave, half my staff's gone. Who trains them in between? Where's the retraining happen? We don't have anything today. Why is it that when a year later I come back in and all the staff has turned over, all the operations are completely different? The knowledge transfer in the deskless workforce, or what I like to call mobile learners, is the problem we're addressing today. That's the goal we're gonna try to solve. What do we do after somebody leaves? We don't want to lose the knowledge. We don't want the cemetery to be the greatest collector of knowledge. We want a world that continues to build on knowledge, but also transfers in a way that works for everybody. We know in a mobile workforce that it's got to be short, 5 minutes or less. Anything over 6 minutes, you're going to lose them in a video online, period. The average length of our videos today are 3.5 minutes long, which, by the way, happen to be the exact same length of a song. Our new platform, there are no more passwords, user IDs, and in a familiar user interface that feels and looks like things I use at home. More knowledge to us meant, well, we've got to have more knowledge ready to use. It's got to be off the shelf. How are we going to come up with that? We've got to go more tribal knowledge. When you run a lot of buildings, Rob, not every building's the same, is it? There's nuances. So you can't launch something that's standardized and expect for it to work in every building. It doesn't work. I needed more subject matters. We needed more video production. We had to reimagine production, platform, support, all of it. And most importantly, the subscription model has to change. We are 100% the platform business. This platform is both knowledge and technology. You've probably worked with a learning management system, and you might say, Tucker, they're not all that way, they're not all difficult, but there are levels of difficulty when I'm talking about finding content. But when you're talking about operations, the LMSs can constrain your learner and give them reasons not to log in, to not use it. And so where we want to end up with this new platform with Pina is to leapfrog these folks and be something that is both simple and quick, and that is how we measure our North Star. So our goal for our new platform is a knowledge capture, create, and share. Capture user-generated knowledge. So for the first time, you will be able to upload your own content. You will be able to take a cell phone, shoot a video, edit it or not, doesn't matter, upload it into an instance that nobody else gets to see. It's your private knowledge. If you share it with your workforce, that's yours. Nobody else sees it. Create. You're going to use the exact same approach and technology we do. We're just now giving it to you. So you get to make your own courses. You get to make your own videos. You get to share them through the same streaming technology that we've done so you can protect your intellectual property, so you can see who's looking at it. We have insight to learners. We have data beyond belief. And then the ability to share. This is where we beat learning management systems. Hands down, they cannot touch us.
How are we going to do this? Well, we need a lot more content, right? Many of your customers and many of our customers are going to be doing a whole bunch of user-generated content. The ability to upload your own videos on the fly, new process, boom, shoot a video, 48 hours later, everybody gets the same message, same training. So we're going to be opening up a marketplace. Think about Netflix, okay? Think about that experience that you can have, things that we're all familiar with. So we're trying to build tools and ways to do things that most of us really know how to do. And the whole idea is to have a space where people can go in, upload their own content, they can sell it to the marketplace, they can access our content, they can gate their content if it's user-generated. You'll be able to curate what you need. You're gonna be able to see what's there. You're gonna see ratings. You're gonna see customer feedback, and you're also gonna see what's coming soon. So what's our goal? 1 million videos.
So it's a knowledge management system for learning. Think of it about it as like the brains to your organization in the future, that all digital data can live in one place, be streamed everywhere, and have the analytics to who's looking at it where, get feedback. It's the ultimate brain for your organization. Quick access, mobile friendly, but it is not an app. It's not in your app store. This is a web app, so it means it works on everything. But you do have to have internet. You're gonna be able to create your own courses, your own certificates. So you can add videos, questions, whatever you want. You can combine digital assets. And what that means is you can combine ours in our marketplace, and you can combine them with yours. So it doesn't have to be just yours, doesn't have to be ours. You can literally dissect and create your own. You can take a video that you shoot that's an hour long and take segments and just pull them out as you want to use them. You don't have to keep uploading videos. I have the ability to track it. I can look at every person that logs in, or I don't have to track it. Now, as far as the user-generated content, I'm gonna upload it, I'm gonna create out of it, and then I'm gonna share it. I can upload, like I said, all my videos, PDFs, images, anything I want from a digital asset. Doesn't matter what it is, doesn't matter what it's about. I can store all my knowledge now in one place. We have the ability now for you to brand it. The entire experience now to your employees looks like it's yours. So we have video editing, re-scripting, voice over, 17 languages, fully branded, and cost effective. Not a login, not a monthly activity, on a user. This is all about how many hours did I stream. This allows us to go to any platform, anywhere, completely agnostic. We don't care anymore about our platform. We only care that you are transferring knowledge using our platform. And we are banking on the idea that our platform will do one thing: provide opportunity to those that didn't have it before. Incomes don't matter. Schools don't matter. The frontline staff of the world that we can't live without, and COVID woke us all up. This is for them. This isn't for us. Ask them what they think. Give them the ability to have a chance in a way they can use it, in a way they relate. My kids live on these video platforms. Meet them where they are. Don't make them come to us.